Okay, go ahead.
Okay, when the bird starts to fly, and it flies through there, and it did this.
Okay, so where did the bird fly to?
Right there, and right there. And he flies right on the couch.
Uh-huh.
And he didn't blink on there, and he pulled the surgeon, and he's beating me.
Were you scared?
Yeah, I was scared.
How come you didn't yell for me?
Because I needed to, but I was playing my game and I saw it.
So you were playing the Wii when it happened?
Yeah, and it scared me. He did this, and I did this. And there was and I tell you, there's a bird in the house.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I was to break your back. If you don't stop. Keep going, monster.